Put your trust in us and we'll be champions.
Hi, hello, mabuhay. My name is Piti Barriola Ayuban from Barangay Bagong Puo of Pilea of Province of Laguna. Ayan, thank you.
Palakpakan sa lahat ho ng magaganda at mga gwapo. Magandang gabi po. At sa lahat ho naman ng mga pangit, gabi na po. Joke lamang po yan because for I always and firmly believe that according to the 1987 of the World of Philippine Constitution states that Bill of Rights, no one should be passed, avoiding the freedom of speech and the freedom of expression. This is my means of expressing of myself from north to south, from east to west, from the highest mountain down to the deepest seas. I'm gonna come out to this fabulous place. Isa pong mapagpalayang gabi sa ating lahat. Ako po si Binibining Maria Iwanesca Ortega, and I am truly all the way from the home of the heritage, Historia Goloso, Daniel Amado Pais, or should I say that I am very much proud and out of my very own town. Bayan po ng pinagpala, Pila, Laguna. The girl standing in front of you, maraming salamat po, is Laguna Gate Queen 2018, Miss Unigender 2019, Laguna Gate Queen 2019, Miss Gay Sunster Mall 2019, Miss Gay Calabarzon 2019, and proudly graduated of Philippine Women's University with the degree of Tourism Management. Ang taong nagpapakataas ay siya pong ibinababa. At ang taong nagpapakababa ay siya pong ibinataas. We are born to be true and never to be perfect. Maraming salamat po. Bilang baklang dayuhan sa iyong lugar na nasasakupan, isa lang po ang aking kahilingan. Mga horado, napakarami po. Sana po may patas ang laban. Maraming salamat.
Once again, activity number 2.
Ika nga po ni Miss Yukito, walang Mama Mary nagsasalita. Well, bago ako magpakilala, isa muna. Men! Tugon po! Men! My name is Ashley Ramos Aguilar from the duck racing capital of the Philippines, Victoria, and life. Thank you. Probinsya po ng Laguna na nagsasabi kung ang perlas ng silanganan ay matatagpuan sa ilalim ng karagatan. Ngunit ang perlas ng kagandahan ay nasa inyong harapan. Kaya judges, ang tunay na national costume kung paano mo idala ito at igrapa. And I love you all. Thank you so much.
Our happy number 4.
festival costume is not about how big, how fabulous the costume is, but it is how you give life to the costume that you are wearing. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Kevin Jonas Espinosa, all the way from Laboy Impila, Laguna. My costume inspired by the Anihan sa Ambing of Magdalena, Laguna. That would be all. Thank you so much.
Our happy number 5.
Well, I think being true to yourself and showing how we pride to our community is celebrated as festival costume. Because even how we are differences to each other, like the color of the rainbow, we are here to be united. What a glamorous and spectacular evening to each and every one. My name is Lovely Imperial, and I am 19 years old today. All the way last from the garden capital of Laguna, municipality of Bay, province of Laguna. Once again, I'm guided at number 6 saying, ang pagiging totoo sa rin at pag-embrace ng ating pagkakaiba ay kailanman hindi nagiging magkama. Dahil kagaya ng isang mahal, tayo ay magsasama-sama, mabubuo, upang ipaglaban ang ating mga karapatan. Once again, I'm guided at number 6, giniling nyo ang mabuhay, and please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Once again, our Germany number 6.
My costume inspired by the Carabao and the Eagle and symbolized the power, strength, and perseverance of Krista. Your first ever Money Queen. My name is Manny Farid Solution, and I thank you.
Once again, our Germany number 8.
mamamatay ang nanay. Ang hindi humiyaw, mamamatay rin po ang tatay. Ang hindi rumalakpak na may malakas na hiyawan, mamamatay po ang buong pamilya. Joke lamang po, party lamang po ito ang ating kasiyahan ngayong gabi. Let us go for happiness, not for what is best. Because having the best without true happiness is always considered as worthless. Hi, hello, mabuhay! This is Maria Alexa Cordon, all the way last, from Barangay Pansol, Pila, Laguna. Maria Alexa na hindi po nagsasabi ng bastos o katawa-tawang kasabihan. Ngunit isa lamang kong katotohanan na bakla, badi, o tsaring-tsaring, ano man mong lait ang itawag ninyo sa amin. Amin ang gabi ito. Tagahanga lamang po namin kayo. Good evening.
Once again, our candidate number 8.
palakpakan dyan?
Wala.
Wala po ba hiyawan dyan?
Wala.
Wala po ba kaldereta dyan?
Wala.
Naman po. Take education first before your love and devotion. It is a good occupation for every young generation. Hello, hi mabuhay. My name is M.M. Sidenia Balain, all the way at last from Barangay of Lala, Tita, Province, South Laguna. Ngayong gabi, hayaan niyo po ako mag-iwan ng isang kasalihan ng di bastos, ngunit inyo po katotohanan. Na kapag ang saging daw po ay kulay-green, hilaw, pabuklon. Pero kapag ang saging naman daw po ay kulay hilaw, hinog na pabuklon. Pero kapag ang saging ay kulay brown, ang sarap, ang laki, ang taba, pag po tayong green-minded, turon po yon.
My festival costume inspired yung Paru-Paru Festival in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, our family number 1.